Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Triune Physics aka Physics Bible. If you have made it to this episode, then you must have gone through the episode 1 where we introduced temperature measurement. Episode 2, we spoke about the thermometer itself. Then episode 3, the thermometric substance. Episode 4, we were able to derive the equations for the temperature conversions and measurement. Then this is episode 5. We want to convert from one temperature scale to another. Of course, recall that we said that in Revelations chapter 3, from verse 14 to 16, verse 16 especially says that, "So then, because thou art lukewarm," this value, I want to ask you, what value, exact value, do you think the divine thermometer was able to record here? What was the exact value? Was it 50 degrees of biblical temperature, or was it 50 degrees Celsius, or what exactly was the value of the temperature being measured in Revelation chapter 3 verse 16? But quickly, let's look at it. Recall, already I've taught you how to generate or derive your equations when it comes to temperature measurement. So let's begin. So let's draw our thermometer. Is that clear? Of course, you know that you must have your what? Your upper fixed point and your lower fixed point. I hope this is clear. Then your unknown point will be somewhere here. Is that clear? Then let's represent that. If this is our upper fixed point, which is hot, and these are cold, then this becomes lukewarm. Is that clear? So what was the value here exactly? So if this is the biblical thermometer, are we here? Then you recall, let's assume that the hotness is B of 100, the lukewarmness is B of L. Is that clear? Then the coldness is B of 0. So let's convert this to degrees Celsius scale. Let's convert this to degrees Celsius scale thermometer. Is that clear? So let's draw this. Then recall our hotness, our coldness, the unknown. Is this clear? Then, if that is the case, let's say these are steam point, these are ice point, then this is a measured point. Is that clear? Then let's assume that this is T of 100, this T of C, and this T of 0. So by conversion, we are going to equate the two. How do you derive your equation? Recall, I've taught you that earlier. The concept is the same, and it is a simple concept. Your unknown, okay, your known scale, negative the lower fixed point, okay, all divided by the upper fixed point, okay, negative the lower fixed point. I hope this is clear to you, please. So by so doing, let's substitute for the biblical thermometer. If we want to derive the equation by substituting into this equation now, you have what? Your known to be B of L, which is lukewarmness. Now, the value has been derived. B of L negative what? B of O, all divided by what? B, all divided by B of 100 negative B of what? Of O. This will now equal T of C negative T of 0 all over T of 100 negative T of 0. I hope this is clear. So, but based on biblical terms, okay, lukewarmness is the average value. So if B of 100 is equal to 100 and B of 0 is equal to 0, then lukewarmness, which is B of L, is equal to 50 because it's average. Are we here? Then let's substitute and convert to degrees Celsius. So we're going to have what? B of L is 50 negative 0 all divided by 100 negative 0 is equal to T of C negative 0 all divided by 100 negative 0. Why? Because the reason is because T of 0 is equal to 0 degrees Celsius and T of 100 is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. I hope this is clear to you. So let's cross multiply here. If we cross multiply, what are we going to have? We now have 50 multiplied by 100 is equal to 100 multiplied by T of C. So that T of C will now equal 50 multiplied by 100 all divided by 100. This cancels this. Then T of C will now equal 50 degrees Celsius. That is the value of lukewarmness when you convert to degrees Celsius. Let's convert that now to degrees Fahrenheit. So recall our equation is still the same. Is that clear? For degree Fahrenheit in our previous episode, we're able to derive that, and we said that the equation is what? For degree Fahrenheit, the equation is what? T of F negative 32. If you've not watched that video, please watch the tutorial video. The equation was T of F negative 32 all divided by 212 negative 32. Exactly. This will now equal, for biblical thermometer or scale, we have B of L negative B of what? B of O all divided by B of 100 negative B of O. I hope this is clear to you. Of course, we were able to substitute, and we said that B of O is 0, B of 100 is 100. Hence, I can now say that by substitution, are we here? By substitution, we now have T of F negative 32 all divided by 180 is equal to B of L is what? 50 negative 0 all divided by 100 negative 0. So let's proceed further. Then we're going to have T of F negative 32 all divided by 180 is equal to 50 over 100. When you cross multiply, you have 100 into T of F negative 32 is equal to 180 negative 50. I hope this is clear to you. You have 100 T of F negative 100 multiplied by 32 is equal to 180 multiplied by 50 is equal to 9,000. I hope this is clear. So let's solve further. 100 multiplied by 32 will give you 3,200. So you have T of F100 negative 3,200 is equal to 9,000. I hope this is clear to you. So if that is clear to you, what are we going to have? Collect like terms so that 100 T of F is equal to 9,000 positive 3,200. I hope this is clear. T of F will now equal 12200 all divided by 100. This cancels this. Therefore, T of F will now equal 122 degrees Fahrenheit. I hope this is clear. This is lukewarmness if you are using the Fahrenheit scale to give you 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Then for Kelvin scale now, absolute Kelvin lukewarmness. If lukewarmness or lukewarm is equal to 50, then recall that 50 negative 0 all over 100 negative 0 is equal to absolute Kelvin is T of K negative what? 273 all divided by 100. All this clear? So that I have 50 all divided by 100 is equal to TK negative 273 all divided by 100. If you solve further, what are you going to have? You're going to have 100 into T of K negative 273 is equal to 100 multiplied by 50. I hope this is clear. So that 100 T of K negative 100 multiplied by 273 is equal to 5,000. 100 T of K negative 27300 is equal to 5,000. Collect like terms so that 100 T of K is equal to 5,000 positive 27300. Hope this is clear. So 100 T of K will now equal what? 32300. Divide through. Let's divide through by 100 so that this cancels this cancels this. Then T of K will now equal 323 Kelvin. I hope this is clear. 323 Kelvin is our value for lukewarmness. Is that clear? It's our value for lukewarmness. So this procedure is the same for all types of scale. It might be millimeters of mercury, it might be ohms, resistance thermometer, can be anyone. Just follow this procedure and you'll be able to solve your problem. Thank you very much. With this, we've come to the end. Subscribe and like as we make progress in this journey of physics, Bible, the Triune Physics.
Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks. for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.